In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a GoHighLevel 30-day free trial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your trial account fully set up with extended access, so you can start exploring all the tools without paying up front. First, you'll want to head to the special offer page for the extended trial. The direct link is in the description of this video. Go ahead and click that link, and it will open the GoHighLevel offer page in your browser. Using that exact link is important, because it's what unlocks the 30-day trial instead of the shorter standard trial you might see on the regular homepage. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Start an Extended Free Trial. It's usually somewhere near the top or center of the page, and it should stand out visually. Click that button to begin the sign-up process. This will take you to a simple form where you'll enter your basic details. On this form, start by clicking into the company name field. Type in the name of the business or brand you want to use GoHighLevel for. If you're just testing things out and don't have a formal company yet, you can still put a project name or your personal brand name here. This name can be changed later in your account settings, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect on the first try. Next, click into the full name field and enter your first and last name. Use your real name here, since this will be associated with your account and any support or billing information later on. Then, move to the email address field. Type in an email that you actually check regularly, because GoHighLevel will send important messages here, like login details and trial reminders. Make sure there are no typos, as that's a common reason people don't receive their confirmation emails. After that, click into the phone number field and add your number, including your country code if needed. This can help with account verification and support, and it's another way they can reach you if there's an issue with your subscription. When all the fields look good, click on the button that says Go to step number 2. This will take you to the final step where you activate your account. On the next screen, you'll see a place to fill in your card information. Enter your card details carefully. You won't be charged immediately. This is just to secure your 30-day trial with full access. Make sure you note the date your trial starts so you can decide before it ends whether you want to continue with a paid plan. Once your card info is submitted and accepted, your GoHighLevel account will be active, and you can log in and start using